This is a little clock radio. This is, it's a generic clock radio. Has a nice little movement in it, a nice little cabinet and that. But basically, it's just a simple 5-tube, All-American 5 radio, 7-pin tubes, and it had the usual problems with it, probably a bad tube or two and a few capacitors. And the clock mechanism had a broken cover on it, so I made a new cover for it. And I took off all of the old finish, which was after going pretty yellow and grungy, and brought up this nice mahogany wood, which really glows in the sunlight and stuff like that. I saved the decal as much as I could. There's not a lot of it left, but as much as I could there, because I'm not going to get a decal for it, and cleaned her up, and away to go. I've been playing her. The clock is surprisingly quiet in it. It's probably one you could actually use in your bedroom. It's quiet enough, I think, and nice little radio all around.